Hello everybody, myself Nitika Gupta. Today I am here to guide you about the subject of BMS, that is Integrated Marketing Communication. There are 4 modules in this subject. The first module is the very first, that is the introduction to the integrated marketing communication. In this we have meaning, evolution, reasons, then what is the process of IMC, communication process, the traditional and the alternative response hierarchy models, how to establish the objectives and the budgets. There are different Dagmar approach and all. So with the first, we'll be starting with an introduction to integrated marketing communications. What is marketing all about? I hope this is a very common term that we all keep on listening in our daily life. If we are entering into the corporate world, there are many options, out of which the latest that is in fashion is the marketing. It's an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating and delivering value to customers, for managing customer relationship in ways that benefits the organization. Now, first of all, you try to create value of the product, then relationship marketing, after that mass customization, and then comes the customer relationship management. Earlier we had a traditional approach to marketing where all the media that were used for advertising was scattered. There was no interaction, no integration between all the medias. But in the contemporary IMC approach, all the medias that are used for advertising, they all are integrated together to work together at a synergy level to provide maximum result with minimum cost. Now for that we have IMC, Integrated Marketing Communication. IMC is a strategic business process used to plan, develop and execute, evaluate and coordinate measurable, persuasive brand communication programs with consumers, customers, prospects, employees and other relevant internal and external audiences. Now what is the goal of IMC? The goal of IMC is to generate short-term financial returns and build long-term brand values. Now, what are the characteristics of IMC? The first feature or the characteristic of IMC is this brings about synergy, that is better use of communication funds. It balances the push and the pull strategy. It strategically integrates various functions of the communication. By coordinating marketing communication, companies can avoid duplication, improves the company's ability to reach to the right customer at the right place, at the right time and with the right message. Now the next topic that we have is the evolution of IMC. How this came? During the 1980s, many companies came to see the need for a more strategic integration for their promotional tools, to coordinate the use of the variety of promotional tools rather than relying primarily on media advertising. IMC offers non-stop shopping for all their clients' promotional needs, like from mass marketing using mass communication to relationship marketing using integrated marketing communication with a focus on interaction. Now, what are the various reasons why this IMC is growing at such a fast pace, as we all can see? The first reason is a shifting of marketing dollars from media advertising to other forms of promotion, particularly consumer and trade-oriented sales promotions. The second reason for the growth of the IMC is a movement away from relying on advertising focused approaches which emphasizes mass media such as network television and national magazines to solve communication problems. The third reason for the growth of the IMC is a shift in marketplace, the power from manufacturers to the retailers. The next reason is the rapid growth and the development of the database marketing. The next one more reason is demand for greater accountability from advertising agencies and changes in the way the agencies are compensated. Next, the rapid growth of the internet, which is changing the very nature of how companies do business and the ways they communicate and interact with the customers. Now, what are the different tools of IMC? As we all know that there are many tools that we use to communicate with the customers, like the advertising, direct marketing, internet marketing, sales promotion, publicity, or personal selling. Now we'll explain all the tools one by one. What is advertising? Any form of non-personal communication about an organization, product, service, idea, or cause by an identified sponsor. Now, what are the advantages of advertising? Advertising controls the message, cost-effective way to communicate with a large audience, effective way to create brand image and symbolic appeals. Often can be effective way to strike response with the customers. Now, what is direct marketing? Another tool, a system of marketing by which an organizations communicate directly with the target markets to generate a response or a transaction. Now, what are the advantages of direct marketing? The first is changes in societies have made consumers more receptive to direct marketing, allows marketers to be very selective and target specific segments of customers. Messages can be customized for specific customers. Effectiveness easier to measure. Now, what is direct marketing methods like direct mail, catalog, telemarketing, direct response ad, direct selling, and internet? Now, what is internet marketing? A form of marketing communication through interactive media which allow for a two-way flow of communication or information whereby users can participate in and modify the content of the information they receive in real time. Now, what are the advantages of internet marketing? First of all, it can be used for a variety of IMC functions. Messages can be tailored to specific interest and needs of the customers. Interactive nature of the internet leads to higher level of involvements. Can provide large amount of information to the customers. There are various uses of the internet as an IMC tool, like as a direct sales tool to obtain customer database information, to communicate and interact with the buyers, to provide customer support and service, to build and maintain customer relationships, as a tool for implementing sales promotion,